Hello, today is the 4th of July. Happy birthday to the United States of America. Without a doubt, the fireworks will be popping off later on this evening. Speaking of this evening, I have a new Dark Soundscape set to premiere on my channel at about 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So be ready for that, folks. I know tomorrow morning I have a follow-up appointment with the eye doctor who did surgery on my left eye on this past Tuesday morning. And I'm happy to say that the procedure was well done. I'm now able to see out of this eye without the use of either glasses or contact lenses. That makes me most happy, without a doubt. Now, they gave me a set of eye drops to put in my left eye 3 times daily. I have been following that procedure without a hitch. And I'm also required to keep my blood sugar levels in check at all times. So that's all that's going on with this. Also want to thank everybody for their prayers and support. It is most appreciated. Well, other than what I just mentioned, I found out that a gal pal on Facebook I'm friends with finally got rid of her so-called boyfriend and baby daddy after how many years. We'll call this woman CF. She lives in Detroit. And a few days back, she finally threw out her baby daddy / boyfriend after years of bitching about him, complaining about him not doing a damn thing for her or her 2 children. In the past that she has complained about him being a lazy bum, worthless, being a drug user / drug addict. And for the record, the baby daddy in question happens to be somebody who had called out here on YouTube many weeks ago, RG. In the video, I talked about how RG hit me up on Facebook Messenger, tell me about this offer that Cash App is having at the moment, where you could get lots of cash back. I do not have a Cash app on my phone. He's telling me to download one, which I did not. I tried to video call the guy, no response. Second time, no response. Third time, no response. And then out of the blue, the guy's Facebook account just disappears. It was hacked. Now, I had a few issues with RG in the past, believe it or not. During my last year in Detroit, 2013, I noticed this guy just sat around the house, not doing anything. He said he was trying to find a job, but he was doing it online. But yet, all the times, I've yet to even see him in front of the computer screen. Whereas myself, I was applying left and right and left, over, under, sideways, down, to quote the Yardbirds. I did 20 times more effort in job hunting than this bum. And when this guy gets drunk, by the way, he gets massively loopy. One time, CF's mother came to the place to visit. RG was trying to hook me up with CF's mom. I'm like, no, I'm not having it. I'm not interested. And the guy was persistent. He was trying to speak. It was the way this guy speaks when he's wasted is a hysterical mess. Is that no, come on, man, no, don't walk away, man, no, come on, man, no, man, come on, man, come on, man. I walked away. He's like, don't walk away from me, you faggot. There was another time that him and a friend of his were down in the basement where I was sleeping at that time. And the friend was fucking with my guitar. Not the one that I'm currently using, but this was a different make and model. I said, why are you messing with my guitar? Give it back, please. The friend was reluctant to. A couple of days later, RG tried to apologize to me. He also tried to apologize for his friend's behalf. And I told him straight up, don't you ever do that ever again. Touch any of my belongings. Well, after I left Detroit, CF added me as a friend on Facebook. And through the past few years, all she did was complain how she puts 120% effort into her work as a mother, and RG just wasn't doing a damn thing. Just laying around, smoking weed or drugs or crack or whatever the fuck. Hell, one time she did a live stream on Facebook, which has since been put into private. She was yelling at RG at the top of her voice for being retarded, not doing anything. She does all the work, he does nothing. Wants to be a crack addict, a drug whore. And indeed he was. Many people were telling him, you need to leave this guy, you need to get rid of him, which is what we were encouraging her to do back in 2013. Why she put it up with this guy for so long, I have no clue. But I think I have a couple good reasons. Apparently this chick is not that attractive. And she speaks very loud, very aggressively. And there's hardly any men out there that are willing to put up with a woman of such nature. Now, keep in mind, she is deaf in one of her ears, so which explains why she has to speak loud like she does, so she's able to hear herself. But I'm glad to say, last week, CF made the decision to dump RG, kick him out of their house, kick him to the curb, and now she states that she's not looking back. She is moving straight forward, pedal to the metal. And myself, along with many others, are saying, about damn time. Should have got rid of this guy a long time ago. Now, she also posted that RG was still trying to be controlling, even though he was booted out of the joint. But CF is so not having that, neither. Now, I'd like to know in the comments below, has anybody ever put it up with issues like that, like the one I just mentioned? If so, let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, look for my Dark Soundscape set to premiere on my channel, as I stated earlier, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And once again, happy 4th of July to everybody out there watching, near and far. Have yourselves a party, but don't go overboard partying down. And like I also said, if you have any dogs or cats, keep them inside. Because without a question, the fireworks going off are going to frighten the hell out of them. That's it. Got to get back to what I was doing, which was relaxing, of course. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and notification bell. Have yourselves a good one.